ኃይሌ ሰማም ኃይሌ ሰማም
ይሰማል
I love you. I love you as a person, as an athlete also.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm so happy, to come and to see Ethiopia, and it is really a pleasure. It's a wonderful. I have no words to say. Thank you.
Thank you.
And well, actually, 3 days ago, they told me you are in a town.
Yes.
And thank you to appreciate, to know me very well, especially through your father.
Thank you.
But, it's a chance to see you tomorrow or day after. Where are you? Where you stay?
Yes, of course. We will make it happen.
ወለ ያገባኝ ይመስለው
Please, can I make an appointment with you?
Anytime tomorrow. Anytime.
Oh, fantastic.
Thank you so much.
ስለዚህ በቃ እንደውልልሃለን እውነቱን ለመናገር
እስቲ በቃ ፕሮግራም አረንጅ አድርጉልኝና ያለበት ቦታ መጥቼ እንዳየው በእናትህ
እሺ
አማርኛ ሁሉ ለምዶልሃል እሺ ብሏል
ቁርጥ ስጋ ጋብዛ